naunawaan ko lang doon ay sinasabi niya sa akin na nung nasa Equatorial Guinea siya, sabi niya siya mga napupunta sila dito, ayaw niya talaga pumunta rito. Ang gusto niya magstay doon kasi nandun yung pamilya niya, nandun yung mga kaibigan niya. Kaso Pilipinas siya na siya mga napunta dito sa Pilipinas. Kinausap si Elvis, Vlog Contigo para bumilak no? Si Elvis ang, para bumilak. Ayun, kinausap siya ni Elvis na sabi niya na pumunta ka sa Pilipinas kasi okay doon, sabi niya. So kahit hindi okay yung yung siyempre hindi naman doon niya alam yung mga tao dito, hindi niya alam yung mga mangyayari dito, pero nang nandito siya sa Pilipinas, nagustuhan niya na, tapos bigla na sasabihin doon namin niya na uuwi na. Ayaw doon niya, hindi siya uuwi. Kahit ano doon mangyari, hindi siya uuwi kasi yung buhay na meron siya dito ay ibang-iba kaysa doon sa Africa. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat mga amigo at eto tapos na po namin kumain. Tinapos muna namin pagkain bago mag-video ulit. Kasi pinag-usapan namin ni Vivian habang kumakain about sa mga nagme-message sa akin, sa kanya, sa nanay niya. So ito hindi matatapos-tapos na issue kasi hanggang paniniwalaan ng nanay, lahat ng mga sinasabi, yon ang nakakalungkot at siyempre, asan yung tiwala, di ba? Asan yung di ba ang gusto naman natin pagkatiwalaan tayo kasi tayo yung tumutulong. So ayan, sabi ni Vivian, sino ba yung nagbabayad ng sino ba yung nagbabayad ng lahat-lahat, yung sa school, sa pagkain, sa kuryente, ganyan-ganyan. Di ba ikaw? So, bakit kami magtitiwala sa ibang tao? Bakit kapag nagtiwalaan yung ibang tao, ikaw yung nagdalas sa akin dito? Sabi mo, no, to Adityo, yo mismo comprar todo aquí. De comida, de luz, de matrícula de escuela.
No puede de comida, todo.
Sabi ko, all. Yun. Kasi ako lahat, di ba? So, sabi niya, bakit ang paniniwalaan yung mga nagko-comment sa kanya? Tapos, meron siya pinakita sa akin yung mga nagbe-message sa kanya na siya daw dito tonto, no?
Tonto.
Kaya sabihin siya ng tonto.
Yo solo decir, mi tonto, mi stupid. And why you talk to me? Because me is tonto, no? Vive tu vida, yo vivo mi vida. Yo no mucho problema porque yo no quiero mucho. Mucho persona.
Yun ang sabi ni Vivian kasi may nag-message na sa kanya, sabi nga siya daw tonto. Ano yung tonto ni Bedjun? Tanga ba? Tonto?
No. ¿Se entiende what is tonto?
Ano yung tonto? Tanga? Ganon? Ayun, sasabihin daw na tonto, parang tanga si Vivian. Sabi niya gano'n, nireplyan daw niya, sabi niya gano'n niya, oo, sige, tonto ako. Oo, sabi niya,
¿Y por qué tú hablas conmigo si yo soy tonto? Vive tu vida, yo hago mi vida.
sabi niya, sige, sabi mo kung tonto, oo, sige, tonto ako, pero bakit ka nag-message sa akin? Sige, kung tonto ako, mabubuhay ako ng sarili ko, mabubuhay ka ng sarili mo, huwag mo kang pakialaman, parang ganun siya sabi niya. Hindi lang yun kasi maraming mga nag-message talaga na mucho gente quiere para hacer amigo, no? De Facebook, no? Pero ito no, acceptar. Maraming nagpe-friend request sa kanya pero hindi niya na-accept. Kasi para saan tapos pagkayari iinsultuhin siya. No está bien insultar. Kaya por eso yo he dicho, Vivian, no todo Pilipino está bueno, mucho Pilipino también enfadar, triste, hasta enviada.
Eso no. Envidioso, sí.
Sí, yun. Oo. Mucho Pilipino así. Sabi ko maraming Pilipino na nagagalit tsaka yung naiinggit, sabi ko. Kaya ganoon. Tapos, pinag-usapan namin kanina yung bakit kasi di ba yung about sa issue nga na yan, hindi matapos-tapos na basta paniniwalaan ng nanay yung mga nagsasalita sa kanya. O yung nagsasalita ng hindi maganda. Kagaya nung kapitbahay na chismosa. So, pati yung paniniwalaan niya. Ang sabi ni Adityo antes, no? cuando tuvo, antes, tú has dicho, cuando tú estás en Guinea, tú no quieres venir aquí,
Sí.
porque tú no conoces. Pero Vivian quiere, Amir quiere.
Mis, cuando se mame, si va y Guinea, no, cuando mi suka mo sa mame. Yo contento, yo ir decir mis amigos, yo venir, mis amigos decir, oh, ese bien, ese suerte para ti. Todos nosotros deseamos.
Decir esto, en
Sí,
Guinea.
todos nosotros deseamos salir de Guinea.
Ah.
Sí, no, yo decir, I
No.
don't want to come here in Philippines because my friend is there, my family is in Africa. I want to stay in my family.
In Africa.
Yes, with my friends.
Ah.
When is today, is the day, and bukas me go to me come here in Philippines. I say my mom, I know like to come in Philippines. And my brother, they'll be saying, Vivian, no, you want to go in Philippines because there is good. Me too, I want to stay, go outside to this country. Go to Philippines. I say, I don't want to.
You don't like.
And I say, okay, I go to Philippines. When I come here, this to when I have problem with my family, so my mom say I go, me and my brother go back to my country. When my brother say, Vivian, when you go there, when you come here, why you say here? Only you pasya with yourself. You know, if you come here, I will get angry with you. Say Kuya Raul, you don't come here. And Kuya Raul give me one opportunity. Can I stay here in Philippines? Now my mom say I go to my country. I say my mom, well, okay, you want to go. I'm not going to my country. Because when I come and I tell them my country, you say me, let's go Philippines. I say I don't like to go because my friend is here, my family is here. You say no, you me go Philippines. Now I'm here in Philippines. You say go back to Africa. No, me no go to Guinea. I mistake here because my food is if you Kuya Raul say Vivian you go. Vivian today you go in Africa. I say Kuya Raul why me go in Africa? If Kuya Raul say I have family now. Yes, I say okay, I'm going to my country. You help me many. Okay, thank you so much for you get me. I don't like to go in my country. I don't like to go in my country. I less help Kuya Raul. Corazón with corazón.
Heart.
Have to Kuya Raul is and it's not good. It's broken because I go to my country. If you have I don't like to go in my country when less problem that you and me have problem and that problem we go. I like to say, oh Kuya, now I'm so big. I have family in my country. I want to go see my country. Like that. If Kuya say, okay, Vivian, go to your country. Go. Because I don't like to go in my country. I have problem. I like to go my country, relax, and not have problem. For me, go my country is only back. If me say, oh, I go to Kuya, I go say my family vacation in my country. I don't like to go. Now my family have problem with you know. For many people say bad to my country, many comment. I know that it's not no good. I don't like to go to my country like that. I like to go to my country last when Kuya Raul go to vacation when Kuya Raul, when Kuya Bill and Kuya say vacation only. When Kuya Raul say vacation, I don't like to go to my country. I have problem here. If you may have problem, really. Many people have problem. It's not only me have problem. I have problem always. Yes, all people have problem always. I know not only one person. No, the problem you know what they say. If the problem is like once if you die, no, I know no, I know die any day. You know, if you say today I die, it's okay. I not had a problem to die. No, it's my that is my good life. If you I know how to fight. I know how to fight to die. If you me die today, it's okay. It's me is good. And I know now it's problem. If you may have problem today, it's okay. It's good. If you may have problem, it's good. I know how to fight to die. I know how to fight to have problem. If you may have problem, it's hard. I have problem. All people have problem. If you may have big problem, When the people say, oh, the guy you is bad person, you is bad Christian, why you say that? And another say, oh, it's that you know can that this is that. If you say that, that is the reason in the photo. And I know can that bad. I know can. I say please, me. My name is Vivian. I have 40 years. I know. Say, oh, why you is bad? No, I know. Kill people. I know kill one person. No, I mean, you know, say I know accept friend and friend. I know accept people friend. No, because people say, oh, Vivian is bad. No, it's not good to say that. But my mom. She can that but no, I don't care. I have many friends to say, oh Vivian, oh you will go to vacation we are always good. Yes, like that. Yes. Many people say me, oh Vivian, you and your family, you is great. I say no, I know it. Only I no, many people, one friend now say me, oh, Vivian, why you talk to me? You is great. I know it. I say no. I know say me that I know it. I normal person because I eat today. No, whether me today no eat. If you me eat today no, whether you no eat today or tomorrow you eat. It's not me. I know this person. I normal like you. I like you say my friend please. I say okay. Because I know that person say, oh no, I have clear out. Because I have big car, I know it. No, me know it. I know my thing. And me not accept bad people to my table. I know love that no. I know my person.
Normal person.
Yes, like normal. I know and me no listen to the bad because she no give me food. She no say me. No my friend. I no can this. Only see that bad to Facebook. And why you listen to this? If you like, I really like. I have problem. If you say today you have problem, it's okay. Yes, me no puede say if you just say today I have problem. Me no puede say no. I problem finish. No. Only yes, because I don't love that. And it's a one to still relax.
You want to relax like
Yeah,
that.
I know no listen.
No listen to other people. Ayun, ewan ko po nakaintindihan yung mga sinabi ni Vivian pero ang naunawaan ko lang doon ay sinasabi niya sa akin na nung nasa Equatorial Guinea siya, sabi niya siya mga napupunta sila dito, ayaw niya talaga pumunta rito. Gusto niya mag-stay doon kasi nandun yung pamilya niya, nandun yung mga kaibigan niya. Kaso pinitin siya na siya mga napunta dito sa Pilipinas. Kinausap si Elvis Agla Contigo para binilaki, no? Si Elvis ang para binilaki. Ayun, kinausap siya ni Elvis na sabi niya na pumunta ka sa Pilipinas kasi okay doon, sabi niya. So kahit hindi okay yung yung siyempre hindi naman doon niya alam yung mga tao dito, hindi niya alam yung mga mangyayari dito, pero nang nandito sa Pilipinas, nagustuhan niya na. Tapos bigla na sasabihin doon namin niya na uuwi na. Ayaw daw niya, hindi siya uuwi. Kahit ano daw mangyari, hindi siya uuwi. Kasi yung buhay na meron siya dito, kaya ibang-iba kaysa doon sa Africa. Kung magbabakasyon daw, walang problema kung magbabakasyon siya. Pero gusto niya mag-stay dito sa Pilipinas. Yun ang sabi ni Vivian. Kasi marami nagme-message sa akin, hindi maganda. Pati kaya siya hindi niya pinaniwalaan yun, pero yun na niya pinaniwalaan yung mga ganun. At yung yun ang palungkot. Sabi niya kung yung mga iba hindi ko na naunawaan pero English naman sa niya, kaya kayo na bahala umintindi. Sa akin po dito mga amigo ay dahil ano siya, si Vivian ay malaki na, sabi nga niya malaki na siya, ayaw niya na mabuhay, anto naman ako. Ang gusto ko lang tanong, naging masama ba ako sa kanya? Yun, Vivian, yo malo con tu familia y contigo?
No. You good with my family.
Oo.
Look, when my mom say me come to
Oo.
I say my mom I no like to come in
Oo.
Philippines.
Oo.
When my brother say me where you want to come to Philippines, I say okay, I will come here because Kuya Raul is in my family. Kuya Raul say my Lola, my lolo, all my family Kuya Raul. When I go, okay, I'm going to Kuya Raul to say family Kuya Raul because always he say me and video, not say me and person. It's not good Kuya Raul say my family. Kuya Raul still like to me go to this country to say family. I'm going like that. And me go, me come here. I know, I come here. When I come here, good no, I come here.
Good.
If you may go, I go my country good. If good, I want to go my country good, like vacation.
Vacation.
Because I talk to my friend, no, she say me, oh yeah, what day you come? Because what MU is thinking, I'm going to your house, let's go walking. You come my house, walking, let's go to the beach, like that. See, but my friend say me, I say I will come I will come down the way I will come in my country. See, my friend say me, no, it's okay. I miss you too, pero stay there because you want to take your
Friend in Guinea.
Yes.
Ayun, sabi
My
daw.
friend say me that. Kuya say me, you want if you stay there because you want to tell your food, that's good. And me no. My friend say me always say miss you. Why do you come?
Vacation no problem.
See like for me stay here. I know what. I for me go there only vacation.
Bakasyon.
Like that.
Yung sabi ko, naging masama ba ako sa kanya? Hindi daw. Tapos, diba, nagpunta raw nga sila dito sa Pilipinas, diba, yung mga kaibigan niya. Marami daw gusto pumunta, umalis sa bansa nila, tapos hindi makaalis, pero walang opportunity. Kaya nandito na siya, tapos, bakit pa siya babalik doon? Yun ang sinasabi niya. So, ayun, pagka may pagkakataon mamaya o bukas, yun natin, gusto ko kausapin yung nanay, umulit para i-clear ang lahat. Kasi kung bibili ako ng ticket, lahatan, or kung gusto niya na paiwan yung, kasi ayaw ni Misma, ayaw ni Amir, tsaka ni Lydia na umuwi. So, kausapin ko para magkaliwanagan. Kasi ang alam ko, pwede naman sila mag-stay dito basta merong magiging guardian. Kung talagang pagod na siya. Kasi sabi ko naman nga, tsaka pwede naman akong tumulong sa kanya. May video or wala kung ayaw kung siya talaga niya magpahinga sa social media, di ba? Yo ha dicho ko tu mamá ayer, no pasa nada, sin video o tiene video, yo ayudar también. Pero ella no escuchar. Sabi ko kay Chawami kahapon yun, tutulong pa naman kasi niya, may video o wala. Pero ayaw niya akong pakinggan. So ayun po mga amigo, yun yung sinasabi ni Vivian. Akala ko naman excited sila pumunta dito dahil sa Pilipinas si Vivian. Yung pala ay may doubt din siya na pumunta dito kasi hindi niya alam yung tao, hindi niya alam yung bansa. Pero yung nung nandito siya sa Pilipinas, nagustuhan niya na. At naging okay na. Kasi nang unang mga buwan, di ba nakita niyo naman na hindi kami okay talaga ni Vivian. Pero primera, cuando tú viniste aquí, nosotros no está bien, no? Sí, tú no tienes confianza conmigo antes. Yo sé, cuando tú vienes aquí tú no tienes confianza conmigo, pero cuando tiempo, día pasar, tú tienes confianza conmigo.
Sí, porque
¿No? Antes, cuando tú estás en Guinea, tú no tienes confianza conmigo.
si yo no quiero venir aquí porque mi familia, mis amigos,
Está allí.
sí, yo quiero estar con mis amigos, con mi familia, pero yo decía, voy a ver mi familia, ¿no? Yo ir a ver familia, para él también contento cuando yo veo su familia, su mamá, sí, porque tú ves mi familia, tú estás mucho tiempo con mi familia, ¿no? Sí. No, es que tú no solo, cuando tú tienes, tú trabajas, no, tú ir a nuestra casa todos los días, como aquí en Filipinas, tú dormir en tu casa, siempre tú venir a mi casa,
Sí, sí.
por la mañana, you can get my house. You don't say many times with your family. No, you stay many times with my family. And that your happy birthday, I don't say you want to stay. I don't say you want to stay with your family. Yes, because your family is number one to your life. You want to stay in your family. And because I say you already you come in my house. Morning you come. You are still like in the morning you come 8 p.m. 9 p.m. You go your house 7 like 3. Yes. So you have family now. You want to stay with your family. You have stay many times in Africa with my family. And I say you want to be a family. I know I have to, yes, only my, I know want to do things like that. No.
Okay. Nang sabi niya lang daw, nung nandito na ako sa Pilipinas, syempre may pamilya ako, punta ako sa kanila, masaya daw siya na kasama ko pamilya ko. So kasi nung nasa Equatorial Guinea, sila naman daw ang kasama ko. Yun ang sabi niya. So ayun po mga amigo, balikan ko po kayo. Ilan ko po, paano ko kakausapin yung nanay nito. Kasi po by next week po, mag-start na pupunta na ako sa kasama ko yung nanay kung talagang decided na talaga sila umuwi. Kasi para makabili kami ng ticket para sa kanila lahat. Pero gusto ko muna kausapin kung ano ang pwedeng gawin para po dito. Kasi yung future ng mga bata nakasalalay dito. Hindi yung kagustuhan lang ng nanay. So mas gusto natin yung future ng mga bata ang dapat isipin, hindi yung kagustuhan lang ng nanay.